Hi guys, and welcome to TNT Beauty. I'm Nisi, and today's video is going to be kicking off a series that I'm so excited about, the Femininity series. So of course I'm doing a makeup look, so if you want to see how I got this simple yet feminine makeup look, then just keep watching. Okay, so for my face I'm going to start out with the Benefit Porefessional Pore Primer. And I don't think I've used this one, so I'm really curious to see how it works. Feels nice and smooth, velvety, which I really appreciate that when I'm going for a smooth, feminine look. I don't like something that's too tacky. And if you guys have been watching any of my makeup videos lately, you know I've been obsessed with this technique I'm about to do. So I start with the primer, and it works really well when you have something with that soft velvety finish like the Too Faced primer I just used. And today, I haven't used this in a good while, but I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, even though we're not finished. And this is in 30 Medium Deep. And I found that when I usually use the HD Flawless powder, but I'm hoping that this combo will work as well. But when I do this, it just gives me the softest, palette before I even start applying my foundation. And I just love that. It gives me an airbrush. That's the word I'm looking for. It gives me like an airbrushed feel. I'm just gently applying the powder, making sure not to add too much. And so, like, if I happen to miss a spot, like, I don't have my glasses on, and so I can't see, but, it'll be right when I finish, okay? Okay, so I think I'm going to go in with my favorite concealer right now. This is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer in Golden. And I like to do this on the areas of the face that I want to be brighter, and then I go over top or like around with my foundation, which is obviously darker. So I'm prepping my eye area for a beautiful palette that I'm going to be using today that I'm so excited about. Okay. Just blending, and I'm, really patting. I'm like the one brush wonder, but when I'm using this to blend in my foundation, I squeeze the brush so it's more firm, and I just gently tap and blend. And that seems to work very well for me. I'm gonna add that lighter color to the areas of the face where we want the light to hit. And again, just tapping and blending. Next, I'm going to apply the Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation. It's got SPF 15, which I love, and this is in the shade Cool Almond. And so, although this has like a medium buildable coverage, the look I'm going for is just like, I don't want to feel cakey. So I'm just taking a little bit and going on the areas basically where I didn't apply the concealer. Okay, now that we've kind of set the tone with just a nice clean face, here comes the fun part, the eyes. So you guys know I'm a huge fan of the Thrive Causemetics Brilliant Eye Brightener, and I just love to take this and highlight right here. And I will go back in and blend that, but I'm going to go ahead and do my shadow. And today I'm using the Tartiest, I guess that's how you say that, Pro palette by Tarte. I should really know how to say that. I have a ton of Tarte palettes. Just look at that. Isn't she pretty? Oh, she smells like chocolate. Even better. Okay. I love it. I just love it. Alright, so I had to play around with my first eye, but I think I got it to where I like it. So now I'm going to go in with the second eye and do it right this time. So I'm going to have my base be this No Filter color. So I'm just going to apply that to almost the whole eyelid. Okay, so on top of that, I'm going in with the Mod, which is like almost a burgundy brick color. It's very pretty. And then on top, I'm going in with the Glittery Mauve Minx. And I'm just kind of patting that so that I'm not disturbing the base. And once again, blend, 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 because blending is key. I really do not like harsh lines when I'm applying eyeshadow, and that is especially true when I'm going for more of a soft feminine look instead of like full-on glam. And I think I'm just really going to top that off with this glam shade right in the center of the eyelid. And no, I'm not going to leave it like that. Of course, we're going to blend. Ooh, I like that. So now I'm going to top off this eye look with my favorite, the Clinique High Impact Mascara. All it takes is a little bit of this, start at the base, wiggle my way up. And this eyeshadow literally has me smell like a piece of chocolate, and I'm cool with it. All right. Okay. So now I'm just going to take some more of the Maybelline Fit Me powder and just kind of fill in any shiny looking areas. And of course, you can't do a feminine look without some blush. So I'm using the Rimmel Maxi blush in Wild Card. And I'm going to apply a pretty good amount. I'm going to be very generous with it. I'm going all the way up to the hairline and then above the brows. Got to hit the tip of the nose. Now, you cannot have a beautiful feminine look without a feminine lip. So I'm going to take my Thrive Causemetics pencil again, and I'm just going to highlight that Cupid's bow there. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild gel lip liner. And I'm slightly overlining the lips, which I never do, but for today. And I apologize for the light. The sun, I don't know what she's doing today, but I guess we'll just let her do it. And I always like to fill in my upper lip. Alright, so I fill that in and smack, and then I go back and fill her in again. And then I'm going to fill in like the corners of the lower lip. Next, I'm taking the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in LSCL04. And I'm paying closer attention to like the inside of the lips, but I'm still blending it so it's more of a natural look. And last but not least, I'm going to top off my lips with the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. And it just gives you, it doesn't necessarily like plump your lips, but it makes you feel like they're plumper. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this and apply it to the center of the lip, and it is tingly. And yeah. Okay, you guys, so if you like this look and you're interested in more information on femininity, such as feminine scents, leveling up your feminine energy, how to look feminine at home, feminine with no makeup, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button because it is coming your way. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And also, if you're interested in different aspects of femininity, then let me know down below as we're planning out which subjects on femininity to tackle next. Until next time, bye.